beautiful ladies, you deserve all the accolades on this special occasion of the International Women's Day. I especially recognize my queens in the Society of Women Accountants of Nigeria, SWAN, and all prospective female members of ICAN. I acknowledge that you are indeed queens, unique and elegant, breaking all gender barriers and positively impacting the accounting and finance space. Accept my hearty congratulations as I celebrate you today and always. Let's remain undaunted in our resolve to break the bias. Happy International Women's Day. Break the bias.